Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening accounts. Google.com/signin/recovery and choosing the account to recover. Enter the email or phone, then follow prompts for verification. Use the device and location you most often sign in from because Google uses that signal to validate you. Once done, select the recovery email or phone for the verification code and be ready to retrieve codes quickly. If prompted, provide the last password you remember. This increases success rates significantly, so once you receive a code, type it exactly and submit promptly. Codes often expire in minutes. If you have two-step verification enabled, use your Authenticator app or backup codes. Do not guess. When asked account questions, answer with as much precision as possible. For example, give the month and year you created the account or name a frequent contact. Make sure to perform these steps on a trusted device and on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid repeated prompts and delays. After you regain access, create a new, strong password and update your recovery options, add a phone and alternate email, and enable two-step verification. Then review account activity and remove any unfamiliar devices or apps to secure your account. If recovery fails, try again with more precise answers and from a trusted device. Alternatively, use the account recovery form and include details like creation month or previous passwords. Troubleshoot by clearing cookies, using incognito mode, or trying a different network.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.